Hi, this is Jordan with MarineMax, and right now I'm standing on the all-new 2018 250 SDX Outboard. I'm going to show you some of the great new features of this boat. One of them is you have this sliding aft bench seat, which you're able to easily convert it this way so that it really opens up the back of the boat. You got nice L-shaped seating across the back here. The backrest is forward and rear facing, just depending on how you're going to use the boat. All right, moving forward in the boat, you'll notice you got great wraparound seating on either side. And one of the biggest differences between this and the previous SDX models is you have the port side walkthrough, which allows you to have a lot more space in here for a cuddy. There's cushions in there you can lay down. Also a head, and then up here to the front you got nice forward facing seat as well as rear facing. There is an available filler cushion option as well. Up here at the dash, you'll notice they did a great job in designing it. It's a real clean look with a flush mounted touchscreen SIMRAD unit that has all your diagnostics for your engine data. Also built-in GPS chart plotter in there. If you're anchored up, you'll notice that you've got this adjustable backrest, so it just gives you a spot here that you can lay out, and that's on the port and starboard sides. All right, and that's just a quick preview of the boat. It's definitely something that you have to come and see in person. So whenever you get a chance, please stop in your local MarineMax. We look forward to seeing you.